Now welcome back. So we start a nice dry weather pattern as we go mid to late this week. So expect a lot more sunshine, and temperatures were a little cool today. Our average high is around 88. Most of us made it to 83 or 84, but those highs will start to rise as we go through Thursday and Friday, as most of us should be back to near 90 degrees. Tower cam shows that we do have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies through the day, just some very isolated showers and storms, especially into our eastern counties, but most of us did stay dry. High temperatures today did reach 84 degrees in North Platte, lower 80s at Broken Bow, Lexington, and Ogallala, and mid 80s for highs at Valentine and at Imperial. Here's a look at the current temperatures. So we're closer to 70 at Valentine, Thedford, North Platte, and right now at Lexington. Upper 60s at Broken Bow and Imperial, and 65, your current temperature at Ogallala. So here's a look at the winds. Now, most of us have gone calm, especially along the I-80 corridor and points off to the north. Now, the wind actually is flipping around from a northerly flow, which we had throughout the day, which gave us the dry air and the slightly cooler air. That will say that, because we did get into the mid 80s, should be into the upper 80s though. It's flipping around to a southerly direction, and that's going to be our story as we go through the next couple of days with that nice warm up. There's your satellite loop with mostly clear to clear skies as of right now. High pressure is right over us. It's going to make its way off to the east, giving us that strong southerly flow that will increase temperatures. The lows are off to our north, so that's where the jet stream is as of right now. So we've had the showers and storms the last few days. Now the lows are going to ride along that jet stream up there, and we're going to get into a nice ridge, increasing sun. We're going to warm into the Pacific Northwest, still hot down into Texas, New Mexico, but the cooler and stormy weather is going to move into the Midwest and then the Northeast, because that's where that dip in the jet stream is going to be. So taking a look at the skycast through the evening, we've got mainly clear skies and temperatures falling into the upper 50s. Now, for the day tomorrow, lots of sunshine, highs near 90, and going through the day on Friday, starting off in the lower 60s, still mainly clear. High temperatures as we go through Friday into the upper 80s to near 90 as we stay mostly sunny. So that high pressure system working its way out to the east, we have that strong southerly flow that will give us that nice warm up as we especially go through Thursday and Friday, but it looks to last through the weekend and beyond. A little bit of a disturbance here for Saturday and Sunday, but another high is right behind that as most of the features move off to the north. So here's what the jet stream looks like. It is going to give us a big ridge that is going to keep us warm, and it's going to stick around possibly until this time next week, with the storms moving into the northern plains, the Canadian prairies, and we're looking at a little bit of a cool down as we go through the third week of August, maybe some more days into the 70s and lower 80s, but that jet stream's right over us again, so that will give us the possibility of more moisture. So here's what it looks like. This is the temperature outlook August 15th through 17th. A pocket of blue, that just means the temperatures could be below average into the northern plains. We are getting back to either normal or slightly above normal as we finish out the month of August, and those thunderstorms will cool us down pretty nicely. We still think that the northern plains are going to get above average moisture, as is typical for this time of year. We look to be normal or drier than average as we finish out the month of August. So we got a dry week this week, near 90 for your Thursday and Friday, a little breezy at times. Saturday and Sunday just put a slight chance of some showers and storms with high temperatures into the mid to upper 80s, mid 80s on Monday. That's a cooler day with sunshine, because we're right back into the lower 90s for Tuesday and for Wednesday. Kent?
Yeah, so after an absence, the 90s come back.
Yep, and we're going to be above average as we finish out the work week.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. The demolition process is underway to find